Playtex Diaper Genie Complete Diaper Pail, fully assembled, by Diaper Genie is one of the best baby diaper disposal bags products. Babies go through 600 diapers in 3 years. That's a ton of diapers, pun intended. You'll need a place to hold all those diapers without having to constantly run to the trash can. Don't look any further than the Diaper Genie Complete Diaper Pail. The only diaper disposal system you'll need for your baby's nursery. Fully assembled with a full-sized refill, the pail is ready to get to work as soon as you take it out of the box. A necessity for your baby's nursery, the 7-layer refill bag, double airtight clamps and activated carbon filter work together as the ultimate odor lock system. The Diaper Genie Complete offers a simple, effective way to help keep your nursery fresh by locking in strong diaper odors. The innovative design also makes dirty diaper disposal quick and easy and locks an odor unlike regular, clamp-less pails that rely on an ordinary lid and plastic bag. From the #1 selling diaper brand, the Diaper Genie Complete Pail is all you need for a fresh, clean and sweet-smelling nursery. All in one diaper pail, Diaper Genie's ultimate diaper disposal system controls odors and makes changing your baby's dirty diapers a breeze. The manufacturer's tallest pail requires no bending with a foot pedal for easy, hygienic and hands-free opening. Built-in antimicrobial, upgrade your nursery with Diaper Genie. The complete pail includes built-in antimicrobial that inhibits bacteria growth on the pail. Keep your nursery fresh. Unlike other pails without clamps, the complete pail features double airtight clamps that works with the 7-layer diaper pail refill bags and carbon filter to add a layer of double-duty odor protection. Fewer trips to the trash can. The manufacturer's refill bags hold up to 270 newborn diapers and changing out the bags is simple and hassle-free with a front tilt bin and built-in cutter for your convenience. #1 selling diaper pail. Over 1.5 million moms put their trust in Diaper Genie Complete for a fresher smelling nursery.